This vote has passed. Clap for this.
As a dancer, I know everything, well, I don't know everything, but I know most things about how you pull off a dance show. So like the hip hop theatre evening was like my thing that I was like focused on.
The music never stops. My pages keep turning.
I can switch that. Feels like everything aligns, I can kick back. All the energies are right on a slim track. Feels like
I'm a bit emotional watching them. These are women who have stories to tell, migrant issues, single moms, you know, people going through and fleeing domestic abuse, actually having that energy to put up this performance is a bit emotional for me. But thank you so much, Ed, for giving us your space, the dance studio. We do African dance, as you can see, every Wednesday. You can join us if you're a woman, just to, you know, tell our stories through dance and also to improve our well-being. Thank you so much, my darling, for not giving up on us. It's not easy to try.
It was like I had to develop my leadership skills and my like drive to just want to like set things up and prepare and organise and produce, which was my role. I was the assistant producer.
My name is Alina Ali. I'm 20 years old. Face Festival this year I was able to not just be a participant but also see the behind the scenes and, you know, help run Face Festival.
My name is David O'Culligan. So during Face Festival I was capturing a lot of the content, but at the same time I do want to take part, so I will take turns with the director Lucia. She will help me out, so I'll film most of it, and then when it's time for me to take part I'll hand over the camera so I can also learn and build all my skills.
When you're part of the core team with Elevate Young Minds, it's just like you get the opportunity to not only develop yourself but also develop this thing that so many people enjoyed. And then you've got these incredible superstar dancers that have literally come from halfway across the world to come. They've literally travelled on a plane to be here. And then after the festival I took about a 2-week nap because it killed me off.
Single, 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 double pop, single, 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 double pop, single, 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 double pop, single, single.
Hi, my name is Favor Uche. I'm a freelance artist. I dance, I make music sometimes, and I also act. I was the artist liaison for this festival, and it's taught me a lot when it comes to how I see people, how I react to things, how I handle situations. Artists with high level training, with high level experience, with high level social affluence, basically.
idea of me talking, even leading a MUN it seemed impossible to me at the time. I was very anxious about it, but I was very well supported, and I got the chair training.
We'll open debate, we'll do some roll call, and we'll have the opening speeches for the morning, and then we'll continue from there.
We have had many wars with Russia.
The United Kingdom is honoured to address the General Assembly on such an important topic as artificial intelligence.
We want to escape the mindset of the West. What utter preposterous nonsense.
Where did this come from? From the West, funded by America, ISIS, Al-Qaeda, and more organisations.
I'm Hamza, I'm 15 years old, from Syria. I've had no experience, it's my first time. I found it really well, I've really enjoyed it. I'm going to do a lot more in the future. I'm going to try to push for a lot more. I'm going to push for it in my school and everything.
Palumi, how can I not say my name? Yeah, Palumi. I'm 25 years old. Oh, that's really old in the young people space, I know. So with Elevate Young Minds, we went to Lille in France. So we did a model of the United Nations there. I think that was my first one, and it was such a experience. I love the world of debating.
It's good for teamwork, and you should just involve, if you're a very individual person, just try to involve as much people as you can, distributing the workload.
I'm Christabel Derby, and I'm a lawyer by profession. I'm a diplomat and I'm a youth advocate as well. Yes, this is my first time actually, and I met Eddie some years ago, and that guy is a very passionate young person, and I love how he has been able to put all this together and how he's mentoring young people, because it is indeed imperative that young people take up space because the future is today, and we all need to have a voice. We need to also speak for those without voices to ensure that other young people are also heard.
I just want to start by saying a huge thank you to everyone that's taken part in this debate, all the organisers of Face Festival, Face Month, everyone from Elevate Young Minds and Young Creative Leaders. A truly amazing job. It's just been absolutely incredible seeing so many young people actually engaged in MU and engaged in politics. Just so heartwarming, genuinely so heartwarming.
Energy, the energy in Andel on Sunday was crazy.
Well, I don't think anyone has taken over the Arndale the way that we did.
The three venues, Manchester Arndale, the World Final and the final, all the semi-finals and the finals. Look around, it's going crazy. Christmas season.
1, 2. What's good, everybody? Manchester Arndale rotation dance exchange in the house. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
That hold the fun to make it fun.
Seeing the crowd just there, just everywhere. So much content to gather, it was insane.
Such a large crowd as well.
I've not seen anything like that in Andel before. When it comes to the crowd, I've not seen anything like that.
Elevate Young Minds is just elevating every step of the way.
I'd love to do it every year. I'll do it every day if I could. So yeah.
It was almost hard for people to pass through. And walk around. Yeah, it was packed.